Hello students, welcome to Ekadantaya classes. Please like it, share it, and if you are new to our channel please do subscribe it. In this session we are dealing with 10th class social science subject, that is Geography 5 Indian Forest Resources. But we are going to learn in this chapter meaning and importance of forest resources, types and distribution of forest in India, conservation of forests, wildlife sanctuaries and national parks in India, biosphere reserves of India. Meaning and importance of forests. A large area of land covered with trees and undergrowth is called forests. It is generally extensive in commercial value. It consists of either natural or planted vegetation. Forests constitute one of the natural resources of India. Directly, they provide a large variety of woods which are used as fuel, timber and industrial raw materials. Forests provide fodder for livestock and employment opportunities for the people. Indirectly, forests preserves the physical features, check soil erosion, control floods and regulate the flow of rivers. Forests prevent desertification, help to improve soil fertility, make the climate equable and help to maintain ecological balance. They provide shelter to wildlife. Types of forest in India. The types of forest depends on climate, soil and relief. But climate is the most important factor. India is a vast country and it has a great variety of forests. They can be classified into 6 main types. The tropical evergreen forests, the tropical deciduous forests, scrub forests and grassland, desert vegetation, mountain forests, and mangrove forests. The tropical evergreen forests. These forests are found in areas of heavy annual rainfall exceeding 250 centimeters. They are found mainly on the western slopes of the Western Ghats and hills of northeastern states of Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipura and Andaman Nicobar Islands. These forests are dense and the trees grow to a great height. The trees and plants do not shed their leaves during the year at the same time. Hence they are evergreen. The important trees are teak, rosewood, ebony, mahogany, gudgeon and champa. The tropical deciduous forests. These forests are found in areas with an annual rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeters. They are occupied a wide area largely on the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats including Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, Chota Nagpur Plateau, foothills of the Himalayas, parts of Odisha and West Bengal. The trees in these forests shed their leaves during spring and early summer. Hence they are also known as monsoon forests. The important treesaretake, sol, sandalwood, kusum, kanju, myrobalan, cyrus, mango, neem, tamarind etc. scrub forests and grassland. These are found in areas having 60 to 100 centimeters of rainfall. The scrub with short coarse grass, thorny trees and bushes are found scattered in Kutch and the fringes of the Thar desert. Grasslands are mainly found in eastern Rajasthan, Punjab, parts of the Western Ghats and the Cardamom Hills. Desert vegetation. These are found in areas with annual rainfall of 10 to 50 centimeters, i.e., the Thar desert including parts of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Deccan Plateau. Rainfall vegetation consists of scattered trees and thorny bushes. Jand, Keh, Kolko, Babul, cacti and etc. trees are found here. Mountain forests. The trees and plants which grow on the slopes of the mountain are called mountain forests. In India, they occur in the Himalayas and to a small extent in the Nilgiri hills. The plants and trees are vary with increasing altitude. The important trees are oak, chestnut, ash, beech, pine, cedar, spruce, fir, deodar and walnut. Mangrove forests. These forests are found in wet marsh areas, in river deltas and along the sea coast washed by tides. They are mainly found in the deltas of rivers on the eastern coast and in pockets on the western coast of India. The important trees are rhizophyra, canes, screwpipe, palms, sundaria etc. The tree trunks are supported by a number of stilt-like roots which are submerged underwater. Do you know? The sundari tree is extensively found in the mangrove forests in Ganga Delta. Hence this delta is known as Sundarbans. Distribution of forests. The total forest area of India was about 7.74 lakh kilometers square. It accounted for about 23.6% of the total geographical area of the country. This is much below the 33.3% recommended by the National Forest Policy Resolution of 1952. Even it is below the world's average is 29.5%. Forests in India are not evenly distributed. Nearly 60% of the forest area of the country is in the Himalayas and Peninsular Hills and 20% is in the northern plains. Among the states, Madhya Pradesh has the largest area under forests and Goa has the least in India. Conservation of forests. Forests play an important role in the national economy of India. Unfortunately, the area under forests has been declining in recent years. The expansion of agricultural land, construction of roads and railway, irrigation projects, industrialization, urbanization, overgrazing, forest fires, etc. are the main causes for the destruction for forests. Hence, the conservation of forests for the future generation is very essential. The prevention of destruction, exploitation of forests and its management is called conservation of forests. Measures for the conservation of forests in India: control of deforestation, restriction on grazing, control of forest fires, prevention of encroachment on forests, control of forest insects and diseases, controlling illegal cutting of trees, scientific cutting of trees, legislation to check deforestation, encourage afforestation, creating of awareness among the people about the importance of forests. Wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. Wildlife sanctuary, that is WLS, refers to a place meant for providing protection to wildlife. It is an area where killing or capturing of any species of animals is prohibited except under orders of the competent authority. There are about 523 wildlife sanctuaries in India. The important WLS are as follows: Annamalai and Madumalai in Tamil Nadu, Dandali in Karnataka, Badra in Karnataka, Tulakavari in Karnataka, Bear Hills in Karnataka, Periyar in Kerala, Nagarjunasagar in Telangana, Bharatpur and Ranthambore in Rajasthan, Manners in Assam, Jaldapara in Bengal, etc. National parks, an extensive area which is specially protected to preserve its natural beauty, wildlife and forests for public recreation and scientific interests, is called national park. Forestry, grazing or agricultural activities are not allowed here. There are 99 national parks in India. Do you know? The first national park in the world, Yellowstone, USA, in 1872. The first national park in India, Jim Corbett, Uttarakhand, in 1936. Some important national parks of India are Kaziranga in Assam, Sundarban in West Bengal, Corbett in Uttarakhand, Gir in Gujarat, Kanha in M.P., Bandipur in Karnataka, Bainagattu in Karnataka and Nagara Hole in Karnataka, Sariska in Rajasthan, Bhadora in Uttar Pradesh, etc. Biosphere reserves are a special category of protected area of land or coastal environments. Here people are an integral component of the system. The main objectives of biosphere reserves are conservation, research, education and local involvement. Do you know? Biosphere Reserve was launched by the UNESCO in 1971, under its Man and Biosphere program, that is MAB. In India, the first Biosphere Reserve came into existence in 1986, at Nilgiri Hills. In India, there are 18 Biosphere Reserves have been identified. They are Nilgiri, Nandadavi, Nokrek, Manners, Great Nicobar, Gulf of Mannar, Sundarban, Similipur, Kanchenjunga, Pachmari, Agastya Malai, Dibruskoa, Dihang, Dibang, etc. Thanks for watching. Please like it, share it and subscribe it for more